This is Eric RPG back, and we're doing another video of Legend of Zelda: Link to the Past, and we're about to do stage 2 of the Dark World, or if you're counting, it's the 7th dungeon. Well, no, technically it's the 8th, but yeah. And we drained the water from the dungeon, or its counterpart in the Light World, and that somehow affected the Dark World. So, let's move on. I guess this is sort of like a water temple. Why is he talking to us? Okay. Gotta watch out for those bubbles. Collect the key, get out of here. The key only appears after you've killed everything around here. Oh, if the water comes at you, you can slash it. I think there's another key in here we need to pick up. There we go. Oh yeah, you don't want to hold out your sword for too long. Yeah, whenever you attack, that will try to hurt you. We need a key. Good thing there's one up here. I should probably save state before I get in here. It didn't do that last time. I think there's money in there. Could be wrong though. Yeah. This boss isn't too difficult. He just goes down a lot easier with the newer sword. Yes, we're getting a new sword soon. Technically, yeah, the item you get from this dungeon isn't necessary to get through the other two dungeons, which is why you could do them first. But I'm doing this because it's more convenient. There is a way to get to the Dark World, and in fact, I think that's the only way I'm gonna have to go to get to the Dark World. I think this place leads to nowhere, to be honest. I'm just exploring it for exploration's sake. Oh, there is a chest for doing this. The compass. And since we can't get that chest, we're just gonna pass this room. Aha! Another key. We have to go up there to turn the water off. There, now you can't be a bother. Oh, that's why you can't lift it up. Gotta watch out for those enemies that pop out of the ground. It was worth it. There's nothing up here. It looks like there might be, though. Yo, this place is whack. Now there's two places you can drop down here. So I'm gonna be dropping down here. Because it's the one we want anyway. The other one just leads to oh. I have to go to the other one. Never mind. Now I have to go around. That was close. Almost got scorched. What? I have to... Oh, man. That was annoying. Forget that. I'm loading my save state. Oh, I kind of have to anyway. Never mind. Oh, wait. I was stupid. Just have to climb back up here. But I did something else stupid. Oh, gosh. Wasting time because I can't remember things. Yep, you can't go through passageways with things on your head, apparently. Thought I'd drop a heart. Alright, now we're gonna get this thing done. I took a hit. I'll be fine though. There's a fairy coming up soon. Oh, and these. Yay, we get the big key now. Now we gotta use this to go around the room. Now we can latch onto these things. Let's see. Hearts. That's a nice and easy way to get rid of those without having to worry about getting electrocuted. Despite the fact that it's metal. I'm getting worked over here. Nope, I can't pull on that tongue. Uh-oh, I went down the wrong path. Yeah, you go on the other side. Screw you, I'm not messing around. So drain the water. And what do we get for our efforts here? Well, first we get a new room. Haha! The boss is coming up, if you can't tell already. Yeah, I gotta watch out for these things. Gotta watch out for the current, too. Now I'm wondering. Nope, I can't take him out. You just kind of lead him over there. Well, I'm gonna smash him since it's faster. Come on, get over there. Of course, they leave right after me. Oh, I need a key. I forgot about that. It's all the way over here. Oh, that was close. And it's boss time. This boss could be slightly tricky. Now what you need to do is, you need to use a hook shot and pull those clouds off of his face. And he'll randomly do that, so that's how he attacks pretty much. Other than him just getting too close. Ouch. And this is where he gets annoying. And he's dead. Yay! Now for the next dungeon, I'm going to return to the light world for temporarily. There's some things we can do now that we've got, well, not only the hook shot, but the hammer. Although there's less things we can do with the hook shot now. Of course, it's always lost knowledge. Oh no. Of course it has to be him, though. Magical powers, yay. Magical warping points. Yeah. It's giving us the hint to how to get to stage 3 and 4. Yes, I understand. I'm doing stage 6 before 5 mainly because it gives me an item that lets me bypass a puzzle. And it lets me get some sweet... Well, actually, no. I'm making it harder for myself, actually. Let's see. Yeah, I want to keep going this way. Wait a minute. There's something I could do down there. See this place? Ooh, well, I wonder what this is. Hold up the Master Sword and you'll get the magic of Bombos. Ahaha! Yeah, that'll be helpful later on. Use lots of magic though, so use it sparingly. We have to come back here later, but for now we're okay. Alright, now we have to warp here for another heart piece location. Yay, heart level increased. We're gonna go to this grotto too. What are you doing? After wandering this world, I turned to this shape. I enjoyed playing the food in the original world. He wants to see the grotto. Yeah, I'll try finding it. Because he apparently buried his flute there. That's weird. Weird. It's a phantasm of his former self. But yeah, we're gonna shovel this flute. Where are you? There it is. Alright. What the hell? He turned into a tree. That's sad. Alright. Moving on. Well, I can't pick that up. But I can do a minigame. This might take a while and might take several save states, but I'm gonna do it. $80 rubies. Of course I will. I want to dig. Maybe I'll be lucky and I'll find it immediately. Just kind of have to guess. It's randomly buried in one of these holes. Alright, I guess I have to come back later. You can only do it during the minigame. You can't do it before or after. So we're gonna have to keep playing until I get it. So this is where our heart piece is. I wouldn't call it a good place to get money though. It's usually in the middle here, never anywhere else. So I'm just gonna stick to the middle. Come on, where are you? Oh well. Gonna keep trying. In fact, I might end the episode here and just get it off screen. That sounds like a plan. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Yeah, the next video is gonna be slightly longer, but I'm not gonna end it off at where a dungeon starts. I'm just gonna go into the dungeon. So, see you guys later. Bye-bye.